Today's topic electric dipole. Electric dipole. So electric dipole, nothing but two poles. So two equal in magnitude, opposite in sign, charges are separated by a certain distance in a space is called as electric dipole. That means here statement two equal and unlike charges separated by certain distance in space is called electric dipole. So this is electric dipole statement. Then two equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. This is minus q charge, this is plus q. So equal magnitude but signs are opposite. They are separated by a certain distance, that is 2a. Center to first particle, that is a. Center to second particle, it is a. Total distance is 2a. This is called electric dipole. Here the example for this electrical dipole, that is H2O. Here O is a molecule. Here hydrogen particles are located at a certain distance. Then this is electrical dipole, this example. So electrical dipole moment, electric dipole moment. Electrical dipole moment denoting with letter P, that is equal to product of charge and separation between two charges, that is 2A. So this is called electrical dipole moment. General units for this electrical dipole moment is charge is measured in coulombs and distance is measured in meters, coulomb meter. So electrical dipole. Now this electrical dipole, it is whenever it is kept in uniform electric field, it experiences torque. Now we are going to calculate the torque experienced by the dipole in the electric field. So torque acting on dipole in uniform electric field. So torque acting on dipole in uniform electric field. So for example, we can consider a uniform electric field. Means this is positive plate, this is negative plate. Then charge is, what is it? Electric field is developed between these plates, it is uniform. The developed electric field between the plates, it is said to be uniform. Now this is uniform electric field. So direction of electric field, it is plus to minus direction. Now this is uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. So whenever this dipole it is held or suspended freely in uniform electric field, this is dipole. Now it is held in this, what is it? Just suspended freely in a uniform electric field. This is negative charge and positive charge. Separated by a distance, what is that? 2a in a space. Now this dipole, it is held making an angle, what is that? Theta with the direction of the field. which is theta. Then this dipole, whenever it is kept in this uniform electric field, it experiences a torque and it rotates and comes along the direction of this, what is that, field. So the force experienced by this pole, that is F is equal to 2 minus of EQ. The force experienced by this pole F is equal to plus EQ. Then due to this, it rotates and it comes along the direction of the field. So the torque, we can find the torque experienced by the dipole, that is equal to torque acting on dipole, that is tau is equal to product of force into perpendicular distance. Here, force into perpendicular distance. Then force is equal and equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. So force is constant F into perpendicular distance between these two forces. This is A, B is the dipole, and here BC is the perpendicular distance between two forces. This is first force, second force, perpendicular distance between them is BC. This is BC. Then BC value we can find. So from triangle ABC, therefore sin theta is equal to 2. Why? Because we can calculate opposite side value. Therefore sin theta is equal to opposite side BC divided by hypotenuse AB. Therefore BC is equal to what is that, AB into sin theta. Then AB is nothing but length of the dipole 2A sin theta. Therefore F is, this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, therefore tau is equal to 2. F is nothing but force experienced by the dipole. Either sides it is equal, that is EQ, but direction is opposite, into 2A sin theta. From the dipole moment formula, P is equal to Q into 2A. So this is P is equal to Q into 2A. Instead of Q into 2A, we can written as P. Therefore tau is equal to PE sin theta. This is torque experienced by the dipole in the uniform electric field. Suppose applications here. Case 1. Case 1. If dipole is held parallel to the electric field, parallel to field, then theta is equal to 0 degree. If dipole is arranged along the direction of the field, theta 0 degree, then cos of 0 or sin 0, that is equal to, what is that, 0. The torque experienced by the dipole, that is 0. No torque will be experienced by the dipole. Here case 2, for example, if dipole held perpendicular to the field, dipole is held perpendicular to field, then that is theta is equal to 90 degree, then sin 90 value is equal to 1, then torque experienced by the dipole, that is E, is said to be maximum. This is